How to limit replies to followers only on threads. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can limit replies to followers only on threads. Now, there are two ways to go about this. The first way is also open your threads app, and then once you're in the app, you can see different beautiful posts. Go to the bottom right corner of your screen and click your profile icon. Then on your profiles page, locate the posts that you want only followers to respond to. And once you found the post, move to the right side of the post and click the three dot menu. Then a box will be displayed. In this box, you'll see options like save, pin to profile, archive, hide like and share count, who can reply and quote. So select the who can reply and quote, and then choose the option which says profiles you follow only. Or if you mention some people and you want only those people to respond, you can just say mentioned only, and there you go. The settings have been changed such that only your followers or only those you've mentioned would be able to reply to the post. Now the second way is by moving to the top right corner of your profile page as well and click on the menu icon. Then on the page displayed, you'll see options like follow and invite friends, notifications, like, save, etc. So click notifications and then threads and replies. So for this, you would more people can respond actually, but you will only get notifications from your followers. So you can just go to the replies section and then choose the option which says from people you follow. All right, and there you go. That's it. Thank you and have a wonderful day.